So this is our social studies. So our social studies has these directions. Draw some pictures of the different weather we have here in Nevada. Label pictures with words or phrases. Talk about the questions below with someone and then answer the questions on the back of your pictures or on another sheet of paper. So I know it says draw, but I have some photos I'm going to show you of weather in Nevada and some videos, because the videos I can't really put in OneNote for you guys. So we'll talk about what I'd label them with words or phrases. Alright, so here we have the sunshine with my son Luke. So I might label that as sunny, hot, bright. Those are some words I could use to label it. Here's another one. So this one I'd put as cloudy. So this is when my trees were being cut down, and it's a little video of the tree cutters. So my labels I could put for this one is cloudy, shadows. I guess we could put sunshine and bright. And see, I like this video because there's that guy worker there. We could also put cool because those clouds provide cool cover. Alright, here's our next one. So this is a picture of a flood. So there's this picture with my dog. This could be just rain, so we could put wet, we could put water. Those are some labels we could put. But here's an even better flood. Look at this one. So this is my wife's car right over here on the left side. And this was about 4 years ago, I believe. So there's a picture of that. And here's a video of the flood as well. So you see the water actually got inside the car. So this I could put extreme, I can put wet also, I can put rain, I can put soaked. Those are all labels I can put. And then just so you can see that backside, because this was quite a rainstorm we had. The whole entire street down here is covered with water. Alright, so those are some examples of what we can put. There's the tree cutter still going. So now we go on to how might the weather or climate of Nevada impact why people chose to live in Nevada. So I'm going to use for this one these sentence stems. So this first one goes with this part right here. So the things about the weather that make people choose Nevada are that it doesn't get as much snow as other places, and it isn't always raining and dreary like it is in other parts of the country. Okay, so those are some reasons why people might choose to live in Nevada based on the weather. Alright, so now let's look at this part. When it is, and it's telling us to pick one of these options. So it's answering the second part of the question. How have people in Nevada adapted or changed their way of life because of the climate? So when it is blank, we have adapted by what? So I'm going to use this first one with hot. When it is hot in Nevada, we have adapted by inventing air conditioning for the indoors. So that's one thing that we've adapted by. But now it wants us to give another example. So it's another example of how we've adapted when it is hot. Can you guys think of any? Well, how about this? Another example is that we have built houses in the forest. The forest provides shade, which in turn lowers the temperature of the house. And one day I'll get a bigger keyboard so I don't have as many mistakes. So I'm going to go back through and spell check. Alright, so those are all ways that we've adapted. There are also ways that the weather has changed and how people have adapted to that changing weather.